Hello, y'all. Peazumaki here. Fix that mosky. Hey, I look pretty today, huh? The fuck is anyway. Motherfuckers. Niggas can't have shit. Alright, y'all. So, today we have a diet video with Peazumaki. Now, don't get scared now. Y'all looking at me like, what does he know about dieting? I'm gonna show you what I know about dieting, sucker. I have been slacking for months, so I said, let me get back on my shit. Fuck it. You know what this is? This is what's gonna get you good, yeah. That's that shit. Let's get a shot. So, y'all gotta understand one thing. When you go to the supermarket, you can buy anything you want. Anything you want, you can buy at the supermarket. But look at this right here. That spring mix, baby spinach, whatever you want to get. If it looks just like this, different lettuces, go blend that motherfucker. Okay. I'll tell you a little secret. When you eat McDonald's, French fries, burger, you name it, any fast food. Let me not say McDonald's. I'm gonna have to bleep that if I get sued. Maybe I'm not big enough for channel. I got these ruffles here, right? Bought that motherfucker yesterday and been resisting it. Shit was good too. Anyway, I'll show you something. Have you ever sat down on a couch and binge ate chips? Any chips? Same concept, we're gonna flip that. Again, I got that spring salad mix. And I got a bunch of food from work, is what I'm gonna say the minimum. A bunch of food, very, very bad for you. Horrible, fried. I got multiple meats, multiple breads on that motherfucker. Nothing but meat. I love me some meat, pause. But I don't love it anymore. I used to love it, but I think I was faking it. That's the thing. You can make a big salad. You could I used to prep me a big bowl. I think I've made videos with this bowl, with my big containers. Honestly, if you could eat an amount to fit in here, or I'm gonna say a third of that spring salad mix in a day, you're solid. It won't hurt you, nothing like that. But if you eat a third of this, the amount of nutrition you're gonna get, you can't get it from any fast food, any restaurant. And most of the shit they got there is bad anyway. You got tomatoes there, they're probably as good as bread. Who knows what they add into that? Yeah. Injects to make that tomato grow in an hour. This right here, grown locally at Market Basket, however they do it. But yeah, get ready. That's all. You can make a salad. You can get cheese in there. Got cheese in this bitch. What's the point of that? You get all that stuff. Make a bowl. Make a mess. All those fucking dishes. You want dishes? You want dishes. You keep your motherfuckers. And that's it. That's it. That's you. Because the same way you buy a fucking family bag of chips, you gonna see with him. That's for a family. You're eating that alone. Like everything you eat, add them to. It's America. What you do, you get this shit, you eat a bunch. On the side, I like to eat it while I prep my real food. So I'm just eating it. You got a bunch. I like to compress it in my fingers and chew on it little by little, like a little tobacco. Eat that motherfucker. Well, you eat it just like that, we'll be alright. It's just smart. I'm gonna eat my real food, even better. That motherfucker tastes like food. Just my real food. More or less than that, but stuff it out. Tough it out. 2 to 5 minutes. Yeah. That's it. Eat the motherfucker. No. I don't want to waste too much of your time. I'm eating. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat. Well, I'm gonna basically eat my whole serving while I explain to you. Or as much as it lasts while I explain to you. Depends on the explanation. Again, all that nutrition, you can look it up. Spring salad mix, superfood. And I'll put it over anything you eat. Let's look at how many calories are in spring salad mix, and let me tell you what I think is the calories. Okay. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Serving size, 3 cups. I might fuck. Oh, wait, no, sorry. About 5 servings per container. That's what matters. So we got 20 calories. Look at that shit. I'm just some math. It's been a long day. I worked a lot. Let's look at it. 2 times 5, 10 times 7. That's 100 calories in this motherfucker. This a family serving, 100 calories. This is 160 calories per serving. 8 servings per container. Done. Anything you eat during the day, you could eat a third of this tub. A third. And you're going to be chilling. Because the best thing about spring salad mix, besides the vitamins, it's 1, you shit a lot. And 2, wait. I'm going to go back to 3. If there's 3. But 2 is you shit a lot. Sorry. There's fiber in spring salad mix, which is what gets you shitting. So if you eat a lot of bad food and you finally go into the bathroom and it doesn't look humane, you got poops of different colors, wrong consistency, all that shit. You don't want that. You don't want that. You eat any bit of spring salad mix and you're gonna be shitting. It's gonna be liquid. Not liquid shit, you know. That's probably not good. Unless you just dedicated. But you're gonna get more what's it called? You'll feel that motherfucker's gonna be loose. Like loose butthole, but no homo. That's the thing, but no homo. Pause. That's a more conservative way of saying no homo nowadays. So anyway, I'm gonna finish eating some spring salad mix. And I know 3 is gonna come right in my head. Alright. But basically, 3 just to wrap this up, even if it's kind of 1 and 2 summarized, but you got everything you need out of motherfucker. And trust me, you will feel good. Eat this. It goes bad in about a week and a half, so I throw it out after a while. I got last week's tub that I failed to eat, but it was worth $5. $5. And trust me, if you do any sort of extensive physical workout or just physically demanding shit for a little while, you eat some of this motherfucker, you'll feel good. Try it out. Let me know how it works out. This is Peazumaki here. The late night food video. Just wanted to show you guys, no excuses. You eat this shit at 2 a.m. like I'm doing after work. You eat it 6 a.m. It doesn't matter. If you eat at 6 a.m., just do it while you make your little eggs, your little waffles, your little syrup, little breadsticks with a sausage. Plátano if you're a real motherfucker. Yeah. If it's nighttime, just potatoes, What you like, just eat it. And like I said, if you eat it while making your food, even better. Okay. What's up? I'll get a little later. Baby steps. You get more used to it. You eat more and more. And I'm gonna sit my ass down and eat that real food I got. I want 50 calories per bite.